Thanks for tuning in to the Fastcast at 5. I'm Myra Ruiz. As you could probably tell, heavy rain drenching the Midlands right now this afternoon. There might be more in store, so let's get straight to meteorologist Justin Kier. This rain's probably not going away anytime soon, right?
No time soon, Myra. In fact, rain returned today in a big way and is ruling the forecast. But what's behind all this? Let's jump into our satellite radar combination. That area of low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico steering in clouds, rain, and even some thunderstorms. And you can see here on our time lapse, a lot of that moved through the downtown Columbia area, and currently in the southeast of Midlands is where the heaviest rain shower activity is occurring. Now, we anticipate that this is going to be with us going into the evening time frame with some of the heaviest rain shower activity as well in the southeast of Midlands. You can see that here in places like Sumter County, Calhoun County, Orangeburg County, and Clarendon County getting in on some of the heaviest activity. The good news, though, is that all of this is non-severe. But one thing I do want to emphasize is the fact that whenever we have weather-related traffic accidents on an annual basis, over 70% of those occur on wet pavement. So let's take a look at our traffic camera right now. You can see things frozen at the malfunction junction camera, but things still moving relatively smoothly. That's a good sign. But as we take a look at our traffic map, there are some red areas here. A lot of it due to construction, though. You can see malfunction junction still with red, with the usual congestion for this time of day. We're seeing some minor delays as you head towards the Irmo area as well as portions of the northeast. We had some heavier rain shower activity towards the Blythewood area earlier, which was slowing things down. A lot of that has since subsided, and we're even seeing some delays here along I-20 towards the Camden area and some minor delays along I-26 towards Orangeburg. Now, one of the areas that received the heaviest amount of rainfall earlier this afternoon was downtown Columbia, specifically the Rocky Branch Creek area. Our own Sharon Hayes is there live to check what conditions look like right now.
Well, hey there, Justin. As you can kind of see right now, it's kind of died down to a drizzle, but that was not the case earlier today. It was pouring down. In fact, you could barely see the car in front of you. Now, if you take a look at this creek behind me, the water is still kind of swirling around. It's since gone down since we've been out here, but there is a meter in the water. The normal level is about a 1, which is pretty much where it's at now, but we did have City of Columbia Street Division employees come out and say that the water had risen well above that into the streets and people were just kind of driving through it. And so they say they want to say themselves, people just need to definitely be careful out here of the creeks, but not just even the creeks or the flooding, but the wet roads for sure. People need to slow down, give themselves more time. Give themselves more space, especially during rush hour traffic like it is right now. We'll continue to monitor the situation out here and, let you guys know about any hazardous situations that we see. But until then, I'm Sharon Hayes in Columbia. Back to you guys in the studio.